we're doing and how we're working with the constellations. First, we are asking ourselves, with which issue do we want to work? Then we are putting some representatives. It can be people, it can be dolls, or they're gonna be our papers. We're putting some representatives that represent other members or the issue by the way how you are placing those objects. And I'm asking you to do it fast without thinking too much. Just feel it and place them. By the way how you're placing it, I am reading. By knowing the laws, I'm reading what is in order and what is in disorder. Which elements are on their heavenly place and which elements are completely in the wrong place. What we're doing next, we are using some inspired adjustments that respect the laws. We would use some healing sentences, make the corrections, make the adjustments, and hopefully you'll feel it even in your body. You'll feel the peace coming, the serenity, you'll feel some changes. And if our feelings change, then our future decisions change too. And if our decision change, maybe our future can change.